To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Lee can walk to the park. Lee can walk to the park. The mouse likes cheese. The mouse likes cheese. A monkey eats a banana. A monkey eats a banana. The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. The dog is sleeping. The dog is sleeping. The kids are in class. The kids are in class. A lady in a flower shop. A lady in a flower shop. They are in the garden. They are in the garden. I can carry this big box. I can carry this big box. The doctor can help me. The doctor can help me. We are good friends. We are good friends. They play with water. They play with water. Tim can fix the shed. Tim can fix the shed. They all sit together. They all sit together. Do you have any money? Do you have any money? The parrot is very colourful. The parrot is very colourful. I like to drink orange juice. I like to drink orange juice. He works at the pizza shop. He works at the pizza shop. I can kick the football. I can kick the football. I can put them in the bag. I can put them in the bag. We sail in the boat. We sail in the boat.